Hi everybody, welcome to Academic Day Breathing. For yoga, we're going to talk about how to slow down your heart rate, kind of relax your body, and focus on your breathing. And then today you're going to turn in a video showing us your belly breathing. So to start here, we are going to go through some of the academic content, and then you're going to go through it on your own. So what is deep breathing? Well, breathing with long belly breaths as exercise or method of relaxation. So you're going to focus on inhaling through your belly and not through your chest. So we'll talk about that when we get to the homework part of it. But if you feel your chest elevating, that's not belly breathing. It's not deep breathing. Okay, you want to feel your belly rise out. Why is breathing important? Well, it can help you avoid injury. It relaxes your body and your mind. It slows down your nervous system, can slow down your heart rate, and really just overall relax your whole body and help you get refocused. So some tips for yoga breathing. Be aware. So whenever you're doing something like yoga, for instance, are you aware of your breath? So do you know when you have short breaths? Do you know when you have long breaths? Do you know what makes your breaths change? So just kind of know yourself and know your own breathing pattern. Try ocean breathing, something where you breathe in through your nose and then you make a sound when you go out. And some people use arms with it, and just the more noise and physical you can be with it, the more extra you can be with it, the better. And then breathing retention, which is what your assignment is going to be today, is breathing in for a certain number of seconds, holding it, and then letting it go for the same number of seconds. All right, so how can you implement this in your everyday life? Well, you're going to show us in your homework for today. But you need to find a place that is calm and quiet where you can focus on your breathing and really focus on the number of seconds it's taking. And don't let your mind wander anywhere else except for that breathing. Okay, so for today's exit ticket, you're going to send in a video of yourself doing this breathing. So for some tips, find a spot on the floor where you can sit crisscross applesauce like I am, or you can lay down. I usually prefer to lay down when I do this, and then I just set my hands on my belly. But you can sit straight up as well and work on that posture. So for your video, you need to say your name, and you're going to record yourself doing 5 belly breaths. So for each breath, you need to count to 5 for the inhale. You're going to hold it for 3 seconds, and then 5-second count out. So it's going to be a somewhere close to that. Okay. And then you're going to do that 5 times and then turn it into the deep breathing video assignment tab here below by midnight tonight.